Well, today's video will be about this right here. Now, this ain't the video that I first recorded, but there's a 502 mile per hour tornado sitting through the earth. It's going 5,000 miles. It all began normal. Then it started to go so big. It started to get tall. Then it's like it's gonna destroy the earth. It will hit South Carolina. And it's gonna go to North Carolina. I mean, it first starts at South Carolina. Then it takes on. And then it starts, yeah, you know, it starts getting a little bit bigger. Then it heads for Georgia and Alabama. It's already at a speed of 300 miles per hour. Like it hit it 9 years ago in Oklahoma of 1999. You will. It gets at a whopping 503 miles per hour. And then it keeps even going higher. Then it passes out. Then by Kansas City, it's all gone. It passed away. So if you like this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you like this video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.